Hi there, students. Headlong. Okay, headlong is both an adverb and an adjective, so it can be both. Let's see, headlong literally means head first. So he dived headlong into the river, head first, head going first. Um, he rushed headlong towards disaster. So here we've used it more figuratively. Going, let's see, with your head first, but going as fast as you can without looking or thinking about what's going to happen. Okay, so headlong with your head first or your head down. But then metaphorically, with unrestrained forward motion. Yeah, so going forwards, and it's going to be almost impossible to stop. And then we use we use headlong to mean in haste, without thinking about it, being rash, yeah, being impetuous. Okay, so yeah, he fell headlong into a muddy puddle. His head fell in it with the head first. The runner ran headlong for the finish line. So here it's starting to become a bit metaphorical. Okay, so headlong. In an impetuous way, without thinking about the possible consequences. Yeah. Okay. A headlong dive into the water. Yeah. But then that's something that you can't stop. So headlong, with great speed, with great haste. Yeah, the car fell headlong over the edge of the cliff. Um, People are rushing headlong to buy shares in this company. Yeah, very rapidly, but maybe without thinking about it. Yeah, so if you are headlong when you do something, or you do something headlong, you're very quick about it, and you're not considering properly what you're doing. Okay, so yeah, headlong. It's saying that this can't. It can't be. You can't step back. You're running so fast that you just go straight into it. Yeah. Yeah. He dived headlong through the window. Yeah. He jumped headlong through the window. But then, okay, a headlong rush, a reckless rush, precipitous, at breakneck speed. Okay, so headlong, to hurtle, to go helter-skelter, yeah, to hurry heedlessly. He ran headlong for his home. And then head first, he tripped and fell headlong down the stairs. Head first, head on. Yeah. And then don't make headlong decisions. Don't go headlong into something recklessly, hastily, dangerously, thoughtlessly, at a breakneck speed, impetuously. And this is the idea. Okay, so headlong. Being very brave and very bold, but very quick off the mark as well. The player dived headlong for the ball. Yeah, the holiday makers, in summer, there's a headlong rush for the beaches. Yeah. I dashed headlong for my bedroom when I heard the noise. And this is the idea of headlong. Let's see, headlong, formality. I think I'd give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. And, well, as to origin, well, the head first, I guess. So your body comes behind you and the head is first, and this is the idea. It's diving for something in a way that you just can't stop. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Headlong.